Hey everyone! Did you know that millions of Americans might now be eligible for a Canadian passport? A new law has just opened up a massive opportunity, and you could be one of the lucky ones. So what's the big deal about a Canadian passport? Well, think of it as your golden ticket to the world. Imagine traveling visa-free to over 180 countries. That's right, from the beautiful beaches of the Caribbean to the historic cities of Europe, a Canadian passport opens doors that were previously a hassle to get through. No more lengthy visa applications or waiting periods. Just pack your bags and go. This powerful travel document is one of the best in the world. If you're curious to find out if you qualify or want to learn more about the process, don't hesitate to reach out. You can email us at skbizcon@gmail.com for more information. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates like this. Thanks for watching.